Street time on the market. Check out this beautifully updated 3-bed, maintenance-free home in the convenient Cooks Valley area. Home features a pretty living room with gleaming hardwood floors and large windows that provide plenty of natural light. The fully equipped kitchen offers new tile flooring, ample cabinet and counter space with a new backsplash. There are 3 freshly painted nice-sized bedrooms with hardwood flooring, new blinds, new doors and updated hardware. Updated bathrooms on upper and lower levels. The lower level consists of a spacious den with built-in shelves and a brick fireplace, half bath, a laundry and storage area. Home is situated on a nice landscaped lot with a rear patio and a backyard perfect for dogs, family outdoor fun or a small garden. The yard barn provides additional storage. Property is